Hi, Martin here with another video, and today we're going to take a look at how you can change the name of your Mac. So let's get started. So first and foremost, why might you want to change the name of your Mac? Well, there's actually a number of different reasons. So something like AirDrop is probably one of the biggest. So that kind of helps you or others to more easily identify your device. If it's just got a random name, then it might be a little bit difficult to identify. But if you have it down as kind of your name in MacBook, then it's going to make it easier. Similarly, if you have a local network with multiple Macs, giving each one a unique name will help to identify them as well. So finally, you may also have someone else's Mac. So say you bought a second-hand Mac, or you got one from a relative, and the Mac is named with their name. You might want to rename it so it actually has your information instead. So those are the reasons that you might want to change it, but how do you actually go about doing it? So this can all be done within the settings. So if we go ahead and click on the Apple icon and then click on System Settings. So once in System Settings, we're going to click on General over here on the left-hand side, and then we're going to click on the first option in the General, About. Now you'll see with About, the very first thing we have here is Name. And if we click on Name, we can actually go ahead and edit that to whatever we want. So go ahead and type in the name that you'd like for your Mac device, and that name change will then be reflected when looking for your device via AirDrop, on a local network, Bluetooth as well. And again, if it's one that you've had from somebody else, it will now have your information in that name. So a very small tutorial, this one, but actually something that is incredibly useful. And if it has been useful for you, then please consider giving the video a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.